Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Short little video on how to set up Arranger to tabs to get these fill A, B, C and D working on these buttons, and also to get your break and your 1, 2, 3 intro and endings on these blue buttons over here. Because at the moment, if we go in here and we set up a style at the moment, so just stay playing that style. Now the counting will work, okay? So there we go, our style is playing, right? So now if I go here for a break here, that brings me into the jukebox instead of giving me the break, okay? All am I changing and they're not giving me what I want when I'm in the style mode, okay? And also here in the fill, doesn't give me any fill of A, B and C and D. So how do I fix this and how do I get this to work if you want this to work with your style? Now I know you can have my iPad set up and I can control a lot of the buttons on my iPad, which can also be done. But just say you want to set this up on your Ketron, you need to go in here into menu, which is here menu, and then you go in here into preferences, and then you set up Arranger to tabs, which is this one here, okay, Arranger to tabs. So that's ARR dot to tabs, and you see it here, and you switch that one on, and then you save it here. So when you save it there, it's a save and it'll restart, and then it's set for on your startup menu. So when you save here, save and restart, which you press that one. Now I won't do it now because my Ketron will restart, and I want this to be a very short video. Save and restart, which means it'll save it into the restart. Every time you switch on in your Ketron, it'll be set as default, so you won't have to reset it again. So that's how you do it. You switch the Arranger to tabs on. Okay, so I'm just going to exit out of that, and now I'm going to just play the style again. And here we go. Okay, FM. There we are, working. Great. Come back to Arranger A. You can see them all tabs here changing, right? Arranger B, you can see it here changing. Arranger C and Arranger D. Okay, so the menu can go on. And then if I want to go to, we say D. And you say I want to go fill B. Like that. If I want to go fill D. And then we still want to go ending 1. You see that part of my ending. And that's how you set that up, because when you're playing, and all this is touch screen, right, on this, so you got a good big touch screen, but when you're touching it here and when you're playing live, and you can be hitting the wrong things, and it's very hard to get your fingers in there when you're trying to do everything else, playing chords, you might be singing. So when you're over this, I have this set up in a way now. It's a bit far away from me here, but when I have this set up, it's here. It's here on the keyboard here, close to me, so I can just reach. And then you can hit your buttons here, and it changes all the things here you want to change, which is very handy. So that's how you set that up. So that's how do you set them, get them blue buttons there, because they double up as general MIDI, live mode, lyrics on, search, text fade, jukebox, and so on. Picture and mode, DSP, and record. But they also double up for the fill, which is represented here, fill, and then you've got the arranger A, arranger B, arranger C, arranger D, and on this side then you've got the break, and you've got intro and ending 1, 2, and 3, which corresponds here to the 1, 2, and 3 intros and endings. So that's how you set that up. If you're wondering there how to do that, so it's a very simple thing, but a lot of people are looking for that and they couldn't find how to do it. So that's just my little video on that. So I hope that helps somebody out there looking for this feature. Alright, what's the next video here, and I'll see you in the next one.